Okay guys, this week's topic is event versus process. So a lot of times we'll meet a patient who will come to our office and they'll say, you know what, Dr. Sandy, I lifted something yesterday, I bumped into something yesterday, and suddenly I had this pain. Yesterday the weather was a bit cold and I got a bad migraine. So they're thinking this one event caused this issue. And granted, of course, if someone's in a car accident, if you fall off a ladder, those are events. But for 90% of health issues, it's actually a process. So usually when the body first breaks down, you'll actually feel no symptoms. And then the early stages of symptoms are very mild and it gets worse and worse and worse. What we know in the research, just like heart attack, diabetes, or cancer, all these diseases usually take years and years, if not decades, to develop. And the same thing with the human body. Headaches, migraines, digestive issues, numbness, or tingling, it takes months, if not years, to develop. And then the funny thing is, we'll actually meet people and they're like, you know, I've had this issue, so I'm really hoping in 1 or 2 visits everything's going to be gone. Just so how we look at natural laws, if it's taken months or years to develop an issue, it's going to take time to also heal that issue. Now, it doesn't mean if you've had it for 20 years, it's going to take 20 years to recover, but realistically, it will take time. And always remember that it's a process, it's a journey. We have people come here where they'll say, you know what, Dr. Sandy, I'm going through care, I'm feeling better, but why am I not 100%? Well, it's a journey. And you have to remember too, when we look at even a surgical intervention, I remember a nurse actually mentioning this, is that when they do some type of surgery, easily 6 to 8 weeks to even see the body start to recover. Because especially in chiropractic, what do? You're changing disc, ligament, circulation, muscle tissue. So many things are getting changed after so long of being in the wrong place, so it just takes time. So remember, disease is a process and healing is a process. And if you want those long-term fantastic results, it's going to be a process. We teach our patients, and most of us have been taught, if you want to be successful in life, it's hard work and sacrifice. Same thing applies to your health. So it's a process. With hard work and sacrifice, you'll see those changes you want to see. So thank you so much for listening, and God bless.